It began with a dream. Bruce Fabrizio, inventor and founder of Simple Green, believed that cleaning products shouldn't harm the planet or the people who use them. Back in 1975, long before eco-friendly was the buzzword it is today, Bruce invented a revolutionary new formula that was both powerful and safer than its harsh chemical counterparts. From a one-man show to a global cleaning enterprise, Simple Green has been cleaning homes, businesses, and communities for 50 years.
We're still family owned, still creating, and still committed to the planet.
Safer for people, safer for pets, safer for our shared future. Here's to 50 years of green cleaning innovation, and many more to come. Simple Green.